I decided to start working with Hero this morning. She hasn't been putting away enough peanuts for the winter. The other guys are already 2 weeks ahead of her. So, hi, come here. Hero, come here. Come on. Look. Come on, honey. Come on. So I've been trying to coax her from her place or her den. Come on. Come on. Come on. She's sitting just off camera. Trying to coax her back towards the deck so she'll feed with the rest of the chipmunks when I'm feeding them in the morning. Come here. Come on, Tip Tip. Well, she just bypassed me, which means she's going to go around to the fuel tank. That's where her territory is, so she feels safe there. I keep trying to work her around this way so that she'll come to the deck when all the other chipmunks are, take her turn, start putting away peanuts. Might as well walk around there because I know that's where she's going to be. Yep. What are you doing? Come on, honey. You could have been out there. Come on, Chip. Yeah. Come on, buddy. You could have. Look. Come here. Come on, Hero. Get up there. Come on. Dude, you could have got your peanuts right back there, honey. Can you carry this one? There you go. All right, Hero. Take it down. There you go, honey. Go.